Hey again. Last time we covered MQLs, Rahul showed interest. Now, let's take the next step, SQLs, the ones ready to buy. After attending the webinar, Rahul got serious. He asked questions, visited the pricing page, and finally filled out a form requesting a callback. Now, Rahul isn't just interested, he's ready to purchase our course. This is the moment Rahul becomes an SQL sales qualified lead. That means he matches the target audience. He's shown buying intent. And now, he's ready for the sales team to contact him. SQLs are important in B2B because they save time and effort. Instead of cold calling strangers, the sales team speaks to leads who are actually ready to buy. This means higher conversions and smarter work. So remember, MQL is equal to interested. SQL is equal to ready to buy. Want to learn more? Hit like and subscribe.